Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the DNS server not responding problem on your Windows 10 operating system. So if you are facing any problem related to the DNS server, then follow along and hopefully at the end of this video your problem will be solved. So what you need to do is you need to just go to your search bar and search for control panel here, and then just click on control panel. And once the control panel window opens, you need to click on this option which says network and internet, and then you will be able to see this option here which says network and sharing center. So I'm going to just click on the network and sharing center option, and here on this right side you will be able to see your internet connection. So right now I'm connected with the LAN cable, so I can see Ethernet here, but you will be able to see a different option here if you are connected to the internet via Wi-Fi. But what you need to do is you need to just choose the link which is in front of the connections here. So you might see your Wi-Fi network name here. In my case, I can see the LAN cable option here. So just choose the option which is in front of the connections here and just click this link. And now here you just need to choose the properties, and here you need to choose the Internet Protocol version 4. And now you can see in this section you will be able to see the DNS settings. By default, Windows will take the DNS server address automatically, but if you want to set it manually, you can just choose the other option, and this is the preferred option also if you are facing the DNS server problems. And then what you can do is you can visit this website which I'm going to show you here in this browser. I'm going to put the link in the description also, so you can directly come to this website and see this list of DNS providers here. Okay, so here you can see all the list of major DNS providers, and we are going to set the DNS server which is provided by Google. So we are going to set this IP address as our primary IP address, which is 8.8.8.8, and in our alternate DNS address we are going to set this IP address which is 8.8.4.4. So both are provided by Google for us. So we are going to just write 8.8.8.8 and then write 8.8.4.4 here. Okay, same as written here in the primary and secondary DNS in this list. Once you do that, you can also click this option which says validate settings upon exit, and then it's going to validate your settings once you click this OK button. So I'm going to just click on OK button and then click on OK and then close this window. And once you close all these windows, hopefully your internet will work again, and hopefully your problem you face with your DNS server not responding on your Windows 10 operating system will be fixed. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.